Hidden blackheads under skin. Deep pore extraction reveal cleansing. Look at your skin closely. It might look clean on the surface, but underneath, a different story is building. Hidden blackheads don't appear overnight. They stay trapped deep inside your pores, slowly affecting your skin texture. In today's treatment, we are going beyond the surface to reveal what's hidden underneath. This is a deep pore extraction focused on uncovering hidden blackheads. What are hidden blackheads? Hidden blackheads are clogged pores that are not fully exposed on the surface. They remain under the skin, making them harder to notice, but more damaging over time. These hidden clogs can lead to sudden breakouts, rough skin texture, uneven appearance. Most people ignore them because they are not clearly visible. Step 1. Deep preparation. Before extraction, the skin needs to be prepared properly. We begin with deep cleansing to remove surface impurities. Then steam is applied to open the pores and soften the buildup inside. This step is important because hidden blackheads are harder and deeper. Step 2. Layered extraction. Unique concept. Unlike normal blackheads, hidden ones don't come out easily. We use a layered extraction technique. Instead of forcing everything out at once, we remove buildup step by step. This reduces damage and ensures deeper cleaning. Warning: why hidden blackheads are dangerous. If left untreated, hidden blackheads can turn into acne, inflammation, dark spots. Because they stay trapped longer, they affect deeper layers of the skin. That's why early removal is important. Step 3. Skin protection. After extraction, the skin becomes sensitive. We apply soothing products to calm the skin and reduce redness. Hydration helps repair the skin barrier and prevent further clogging. Final transformation. Now look at the skin again. Not just cleaner, but lighter. The hidden buildup is gone. The texture is smoother. This is what happens when you treat the root, not just the surface. Final message: your skin doesn't always show the problem immediately. Sometimes, the real issue is hidden beneath the surface. Take care of it early, and your skin will stay clear longer. Like, subscribe, and follow for more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations.